Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a butter cake. The ingredients that we need today are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, and also 1/4 cup of water. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 345 degrees. I have a bundt pan here, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to prepare that. I melted about a tablespoon of butter. So all we're going to do is coat the inside of our bundt pan with the butter. I'm going to go all around the whole pan. Okay guys, make sure that your pan is nicely coated in the butter. You don't want your cake to stick. And I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of flour in to coat that also. And all we're going to do is shake it until our pan is well coated in it. Once your bundt pan is coated in the flour, we're going to go ahead and set it to the side. Now you want to grab a large bowl. We're going to add our 3 cups of flour in, our baking powder, baking soda, and also our salt. And all we're going to do is mix that together until it's well combined. And we're going to set it to the side. Okay guys, in the stand mixer, you want to use your paddle attachment, and you want to add your 2 sticks of room temperature butter into the bowl. Now all you want to do is cream your butter. Put that on high until it becomes creamy. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to start it off low. And we're going to increase the speed. Now you want to add the remainder of your sugar in. Now we're going to let that mix for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium speed. Now we're going to lower the speed, and we're going to add our eggs in one at a time. Now guys, we're just going to go in and scrape the sides of our bowl so everything will mix properly. Now you put it back on medium and let it mix until everything is nicely combined. Okay guys, on low speed, I'm going to put 1/2 of a cup of milk in. Now we're going to add our flour in 3 parts, so 1 cup at a time. After this cup of flour, we're going to add the remainder of our milk. Okay guys, so all the flour and milk is in there. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and we're going to go in and scrape the sides. We're going to make sure everything is mixed in with our batter. Okay guys, as you can see, our cake batter came out perfect. So now we're going to pour our batter into our bundt pan. Okay guys, once your batter is in your bundt pan, all you want to do is take your spatula and go around and make sure everything is nice and even. Once you're done, we're going to put it in our oven, 345 degrees for 1 hour. Okay guys, our bundt cake is now done, so now we're going to make a butter sauce to go over top. Okay guys, in a pan over medium heat, I put my 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to go ahead and let that melt. We're going to add our water, and our sugar, and we're going to keep mixing until everything is well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to add our vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. You can turn off your heat now. Okay guys, all I did was pour the butter sauce evenly all over our butter cake. We're going to let that set for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our butter cake with a butter sauce. Look guys, how beautiful that came out. It's nice and fluffy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.